And hello, it's me here, Michelle Johnston here. My name is Joshua Johnson from the Michelle Johnston. Michelle Johnson, my mom's name. Today we're going to do a video on us on the trampoline. It's a nice day out. Remember introducing him, her, Abby from
the channel Hi-Fi.
The channel Hi-Fi. Stuff guys. So Hi-Fi and Michelle Johnston. Today we're gonna be off on the trampoline.
I'm gonna do we'll do this.
If the phone goes down on the trampoline, it means we fall.
Oh my god, this is small. Is it gonna break?
No, it'll never break.
I'm
sorry, guys.
Don't play football or something.
No.
Right after the video. Try it. Ow! You have to sit on me. I'm sick.
Ow, God!
Oh, ow.
Oh, no. Yeah.
Come on me.
Get back, and here we do. Turkey. Turkey.
Right, how do you do this? So, this is
Turkey. Oh, turkey. Ah!
Push when you put down. Huh?
I farted on your face, you know.
Yep.
What?
You almost on my face. You're talking Sergio.
I'm talking to...
Who was that?
It was me, Joshua Johnson. Michelle Johnson from Joshua. Ah. Where are you going, Knobs? Come on. What? I know, but thank you, but we have to go now because we're going to end. My cousin here wants us to end. Bye. It's meeting her for the slide. And hit the like button in the face. And subscribe and comment. Bye.